Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Here's your daily update for Bitcoin. What's going on? The AMP pattern was a perfect prediction. It played out perfectly. Now the big question is, what's going on now? Will we go to 40,000 or will we go up from here? I have some nice patterns here for you guys. I will show you this in this update. It's really important to watch, guys. Let's go. Here's the Bitcoin analysis from Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Let's go, guys. So we are starting now, guys. What's going on here? First of all, let's watch this one. Here are the candlestick patterns, and this is really important, the daily time frame. We can see here the bearish engulfing. I showed you this, and guys, after this we went down. Bearish engulfing, medium reliability to go down, a bearish reversal, and before we saw a doji star, also a bearish reversal. We saw this on February the 8th, and after this on February the 10th we saw the next one. So too bad downgoing patterns here. That's really bad, guys. Coin market cap, what's going on? You can see all things are going down, the market is bleeding, but Bitcoin is in a plus a little bit in 7 days with 1.69%. the most other coins are going down. XRP is in the plus about 14.6%. all other coins are going down. We have 17,500, over 70,500 coins here in the market. We have 456 crypto exchanges here in the market. Amazing, guys. And you can see the Bitcoin dominance is about 42.4% and the Ethereum dominance is about 18.4%. So the big trending is for Shiba Doge. Shiba Doge, the next meme coin, guys. I don't know. This meme coins frighten me a little bit. Crypto Eno is also so a meme coin, guys. Okay, let's go on with this one. The Bitcoin price prediction. What is telling us this one? Yes, we're going sideways, maybe. The sentiment is bearish. The fear and greed index is on fear, and we can see bullish only 29%, bearish 71%. This is telling us Coin Codex, and yes, of course, that's a quick overview. If we are watching the support lines, 41,600, 41,900, and 39,800 is a big support to the downside, and to the upside, 43,400, 44,600, and 45,300. These are the big things we need to watch for the upside, the resistances. So the Bitcoin dominance, what's going on? Yesterday I told you, yes, we are going up in a nice parallel channel. Here a little red one, and what happened? We broke out perfectly to the upside. This does not mean that the Bitcoin price is growing. No, the market dominance for Bitcoin is growing, and that means, guys, Bitcoin is not losing so much from this dump as the other altcoins, as the most altcoins. The next big thing is, if you're watching this one, we can see 43.6%. That's the next big resistance to the upside, and that's the next thing we need to watch. Guys, this one is really interesting. Falling wedge on the 1 hour time frame. We are about to break out. You can see this. If we will see a breakout here, maybe we will see 45,500 again. Why? Because this is the start point of this falling wedge. We will check this in our analysis if this falling wedge is playing out, yes or no. So first of all, here on my chart picture, this was the chart picture from yesterday. I have here a big rising wedge. You can see this one here, big rising wedge. And I told you, attention, AMP pattern. We will speak about the AMP pattern a little bit later. But now you can see, I told you guys, attention. If we're going down, 40,000 is the next big support. Why? It is the bottom of this rising wedge. You can see it. And now let me show you this one. We saw here an AMP pattern. It was a perfect call, and we went down again. And the technical target for the AMP pattern was 41,500. And it was a perfect spike. This is the line chart. I will show you this a little bit later in the candlestick chart, guys. And if you made this short here for Bitcoin, you made 7.2%. Really nice. If you made your leverage, you made millions, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice, but it's really nice, guys. Okay, that's this stuff, guys. 1 hour time frame. AMP pattern finished now. And what's going on with the falling wedge? This is a next big thing. I'm showing you this one because I'm trading this falling wedge also. So shorts are finished now, in my opinion. Let's check the next thing, guys. You know it. I'm never short Bitcoin, but I can short over 17,000 coins. Not a big thing. So that's the AMP pattern. That's finished. Let's remove it. What's going on the 1 hour time frame? What's frightening me a little bit is the green line and the red line. Maybe we see a next desk cross, but I will show you this one soon. First of all, this is the falling wedge. So falling wedge, these are the important lines now. And what can we see? We broke out of the falling wedge on the 1 hour time frame. Yes, of course. and we are maybe retesting it with this falling wedge now. That's the next big thing. We need higher lows. That's also really important. Maybe we saw now a little bottom here. Let me show you. We saw here a low, here a low, here the next low, and now maybe now we can make a nice jump to the upside. 43,500 is maybe the next resistance to watch if we can break out to the upside. But we have here the red line for the golden death cross and the green line and so on and so on. These are stuff we need to watch, these guys. The next big thing what I can show you is this one. Green line, red line, you can see it here. That's really important now. Guys, it's important that the red line price about 42,600 and the green line will not cross on a 1 hour time frame, 43,200. Why? Because it is maybe the next death cross. We need the golden cross. We are still in the golden cross zone, but if this will be the next death cross, that's maybe a next bad sign. What does mean maybe? It's really a bad sign, guys. 1 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it's more important, but on the 1 hour time frame also. So these are the important stuff, important lines, important resistance and support lines. Let me show you the 4 hour time frame. What's going on here? 4 hour time frame. Yes, the golden cross, the green line on the upside, the red line on the downside. What happened? We lost the green line. That's not good, guys. We lost the green line and the red line is on the bottom, the next support. And on the daily, yes, a bad death cross is here. And what's happening now? Okay, I have to remove some stuff here because we have a lot of things here to watch. First of all, big resistance, 45,600. You can see this resistance line. We saw a big spike to the downside from this, a rejection from Bitcoin from this. I told you this, attention, double top and the M pattern and. It was a nice short, okay, that's for sure. But I have some more things to show you. Let me show you this one, green line. Watch the green line of the daily death cross, and you can see we are fighting with this. 42,200 is a price above the green line. We need confirmed closing candles over this. If we will spike down under the green line with a confirmed closing candle, this would be not nice. This would be really bad. For the moment, we are building higher lows. That's also not good. But look at this one. We need to stay over this line. This was the last low here, 40,800, and we need to stay over this point. That's also really important. As long as we are over 40,800, everything is okay. But we need to stay over this. Okay, that's this stuff. Now let's remove everything here. It's too much here from Biti Da Vinci. Let's remove it. Let's zoom out a little bit more here on the daily time frame. And the big thing is now here. Okay, you can see it better now. Okay, guys, let's start with this one. Here, look at this. This is frightening me also a little bit. A shoulder pattern, a big one. Maybe we are buying the right shoulder here. Maybe a double shoulder. Or, guys, let me show you. That's also really important. We are retesting an important, or we retested a very important line. Look at this line, guys. If you're drawing a line from all lows here over this point to the upside, what can you see? We broke out, retested, broke down. Next retest and broke down. Big question is, can we fight back this line? In my opinion, this is one of the biggest things if you're watching the bigger time frame. This on the daily, this line is a really big stuff, and we need to see a breakout and a confirmed closing candle over 43,500, 43,300, 400. That's the next big thing. Depends always where we will hit the line. You can see it. If we are drawing this in the line chart, it's different. It's a little bit higher. You can see it like this one here. That's also a big resistance if you're watching this. But in my opinion, it's better to watch this candlestick chart. And if we are drawing it from the wicks, from wick to wick, you can see, yes, that's the big thing. We are maybe retesting, or maybe we see the next retest if we can grow up here more and more. But that's a big resistance, guys. That's a really big resistance. Watch this if you are trading Bitcoin. It's really, really important to watch this resistance. So what happened here? We made a lowest point here on this point. We made higher lows. For the moment, we are building on the bit time frame, on the daily time frame, higher lows. Everything is okay. We are building higher lows and we are building higher highs. That's bullish. That's a bullish stuff, guys, and that is okay. So now, guys, today I'm not showing you ribbon band and all this stuff, RSI. I show you this every day. I show you today the MA20. Why? Because it's also really important. I will not make it too long, the video. I will show you the MA20. Here on the daily, we broke out to the upside and the MA20 is now a big support, 40,000. This is a really, really big stuff. We need to stay over the MA20, really big support. Okay, on the 4-hour time frame, we lost the MA20. It was on this pump to the upside a nice resistance, support line. Now it is a resistance on 43,500. We lost the MA20. 1-hour time frame, we need to fight back the MA20 because we also lost it here. You can see it, 42,300 is the resistance, and we are fighting down with this resistance. And now, guys, you can see what I mean now at the end of the video. This falling wedge, okay, we broke out to the upside, but we are fighting with the MA20. So, guys, we need to break out over the MA20 with a confirmed closing candle. That's now really important. And after this, maybe we can see a nice spike to 46,000. Why 46,000? Because it was the start of the dump. It is also the resistance line. It is a really big resistance here. Guys, that's the big picture, in my opinion, for the next days for Bitcoin. We need to watch this falling wedge. We need to watch the MA20. And if we are watching this stuff here, we can make millions, guys. Now, if we are ending this video, guys, what can we see? This M pattern was a perfect 100% perfect play out. You can see the start point for the M pattern was here, 41,600. The end point was 41,700. Guys, that's amazing. It was an amazing call. I have to clap on my shoulder because it was a really nice call. For all guys, they made the short here. Congratulations to all. And now we will check, can we move on to the upside again? Can we break out? Can? Yes, we can, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings, yours Biti, and thanks for all your support. Ciao, guys.